Okay, this is Easy as Pie Lab, and this is our semester 2 opener. And our background story is it's a new year, and your awesome friend has called frantic with an issue. Her grandmother spent all day yesterday baking her famous pies for the family and friends. She left them on the calendar to cool overnight. When she woke this morning, they were gone. She doesn't have time to make more pie. She suspects the thief is someone she knows, so she has already collected some evidence. She's depending on you and your chemistry skills to help her track down the thief and confirm her suspicions. When you arrive at her house, you notice some white powder that has been tracked across the kitchen floor. You ask her what it is, but she used so many white powders in the creation of her masterpieces, she's not sure which one it is. So here's a list of what you found. And since you know chemistry, you'll be able to fill in the rest of this with the rest of the information. So take time before y'all begin to fill this in. Then, this is Grandma's list of suspects. Make sure you check it out before we begin. We have Betty Botchock, which is Grandma's best friend and nosy neighbor. We have white powder substance collected from the stairs of the back door of her house. Betty has extended family coming to town every weekend and is a terrible cook. Suspect 2, Gladys DeBree, retired teacher and vocal city councilwoman. White powdery substance collected near her kitchen sink, right next to where she keeps her dentures. Gladys is Grandma's biggest bingo rival, and she's jealous of Grandma's recent winnings. Suspect 3, George Posednik, works for the city's transportation department. White powdery substance collected from his work boot soles. George is a big fan of Grandma's pies and has been begging her to make one for him and his family. Suspect number 4, Millie Blair, retired lunch lady and county fair blue ribbon contender. White powdery substance collected from the door handle leading into her kitchen. Millie's pies placed second in the last county fair behind Grandma's, and she still hasn't gotten over it. So, materials you have available: white powders, vinegar, water, iodine from medicine cabinet, hot plate, beaker, pH paper, indicator, probes maybe. You're designing your procedure, so make sure you write it like a recipe and make sure you get prior approval before you do it. Data, you're also going to design this yourself. You will be sharing this data with the rest of your class because we're going to compare your results and see if we all conclude the same or do we come to different conclusions based on the tests that we ran. And conclusion, what did you conclude and why? Who did it? Don't forget your post lab. Good luck, and I hope you catch the caper.